Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. Today what I'm going to show you, or the recipe I'm going to show you, is a soup that my dad makes. My dad is on his way over. We're going to make this soup together. I have some of the ingredients here. I'm just going to prep them, and we're taking our pressure cooker so that everything can get cooked right away. But I have this squash. I don't know the English name for it, but here it's listed as opal squash. Maybe that's what the English name is. And then there's the Vietnamese translation. I'm just gonna cut this up and prep it. I also got some pork ribs. Growing up, my dad made these little riblets in so many different ways. This is one of our favorite ways that he made them. These are cut into 1-inch strips, and I'm just going to cut between to individualize them. That is what will go in the soup. That's the protein. And then my dad gave me this recently, and it's chicken bouillon powder. I'm also going to add some garlic, and then my dad is going to bring me some onion. We also will use green onion. My dad is also going to bring spinach at my request. I just think it sounds good in addition to these things, and it's a little bit different from his recipe. His recipe is very simplified, but I want to inject it with a little more veg. I'm just gonna cut this like I cut a butternut squash. I chopped off the ends, and then I'm just gonna go right down the middle. Just gonna chop this stem part off. I honestly do not know if I need to peel the skin. This is what it looks like, and I'm pretty sure my dad just chops it like in these half moon shapes. I'm gonna wait till he gets here to see if I have to peel off the skin or not before continuing. I've rinsed off the ribs, and I am just patting them dry. I have this container I'm just going to add them to for transportation. I'm just going to give you a quick demo on one of these for what I was saying, cutting them individually. I'm just feeling in between the bone. I want an even amount of meat on either side. That's how I remember having them. And so I will do that. And that's it. This is how they're cut. That's prepped, ready to go. This is going to be the easiest thing that you put together, and having something like an Instapot, it will cook in about half the time. While I wait for my dad to get here, I'm going to make my breakfast bowl. And I already portioned out pineapple. I'm gonna add some of that. In these videos, I am trying to find my rhythm. So the video that I'm posting actually today, Thursday, while I'm filming this, will be almost, I think it was like 30 minutes long, but it is over the period of a few days. So I will be experimenting with the different time frames and see what works best. I'm just gonna have strawberries, blueberries, and pineapple. I wanted to talk about something last night, but it was so late, and I still am not done editing that video. I'm almost done with it, so I'm gonna finish it at my family member's house and then post it while I'm there. I will say If you want to learn how you speak or how you are communicating, there is no better way to do that than to film yourself and listen to yourself speaking. I have a page full of, I don't know, grammatical errors, and I thought I got rid of it in college when I did speeches and when I spoke in front of classes. I learned to speak a little bit better, and I got over the anxieties of speaking in front of others, because I had a huge anxiety speaking in front of others, and I've always wanted to try vlogging cooking, and that was another huge anxiety. It's not easy. I mean, you're sitting here communicating, hoping that someone's listening, right? So I learned little tendencies I picked up that I'm saying again in my speech, and it's kind of infuriating. I want to speak well. I don't want to sound like a, you know, like I don't know what I'm saying. This is going to be my breakfast. I also add a touch of maple syrup. Just a touch. I'd say it's about half a tablespoon amount. And I use oat milk. And then I load her up with flaxseed, hemp hearts, and chia seeds. I'm trying to do a lot of flaxseed, so I do about a tablespoon. Half of that amount of chia seeds, and maybe 3/4 of a tablespoon. And that is it. That is my breakfast. I will probably make a matcha latte again, just like in the previous video and what I've been having all week. But yeah, I just wanted to show you again how I'm making my breakfast and just kind of talk a little bit about my thought process on my videos. I'm making my matcha latte. I mixed the matcha with not hot water. I think that's how it was mentioned that I should do it. And then I'm going to add hot water. And I am trying not to drink coffee. I have all these creamers. I do not want them to go to waste. So I've been putting them in my matcha, and I like it a lot. Okay, my dad is here, and I asked him if I had to peel it or not. He said he does not. If I want to, I can, but he never peels his, so I'm not going to peel it either. I'm just gonna prepare it exactly how he does. And that's just by slicing it in these half moons. And then I have onion. That's all, just onion, this powder, garlic, and the meat.
Yeah,
that's it.
So, you got it.
All right, I got it. So I'm just going to slice this up and then pack everything and bring it to my family's house. How thick do you slice it, Dad?
Thương ngoại. Ông ngoại.
Dad, how thick do you slice it? Like this?
Yeah, like this. Oh, you want look like that too forever here.
Oh, do you cut it like that?
No, yeah.
You cut it in pieces like that?
Yeah, like that. Oh shit, that's good.
Okay.
Ooh, that's good. Put one in your mouth. You have to wait.
So we're just gonna bring
Just
this.
onion in the one soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop it all because then we don't have to make a mess. Just do half an onion, and I'm just going to cut it exactly like I cut the squash. So I just took half the onion, cut it in half, and then I'll just do the little slices.
Yeah.
So there's our vegetable portion.
Yeah. Do.
It's very don't.
Oh no, my light died.
Okay, more water.
Okay. I can't fill it too much.
More. Okay.
I can't fill it too much, otherwise it won't cook. From experience. Stirred everything instead of leaving the seasoning to sit on top with some of the water. I did do 3 cups. I'm a little bit worried. I don't want the same thing to happen with what happened to the asopao, but this smells exactly like I remember it smelling, so I'm just going to latch that, and we're doing 25 minutes.
I'm not playing.
Mommy, they caught. Can't read it. Gotta get the water.
On our way home from my family's house, there was a taco truck at one of the farm stands that we frequent. And of course we had to sample them. So I have 2 carne asada, 2 al pastor. My husband really likes chicken tacos, and this is a chicken tinga flavor. And if you're not familiar with it, it will have like a chipotle taste. And then I have esquites, which is a cup of corn with mayo and cheese and all of the seasonings and lime. And then we have their mild and hot salsa. So we're really excited to try this. This one is mild.
You got the watch.
And
Why are you
this
driving your bike?
one's hot.
No.